Thank you for watching this video about prepping and joining us in our community of DeVault Prepping. This video will cover sections about fire preparedness and weather disaster. Preparedness. If you would help us out and like and subscribe to this video, we would really appreciate it. You can also ring the bell to get notified when new videos are available. Now let's get right into it. Disasters have a disquieting way of arriving unannounced, shattering the calm of ordinary life in an instant. The crackle of flames and the acrid scent of smoke can fill the air as wildfires rage, consuming everything in their path. One moment, a serene forest stands tall, and the next, it is a hellish inferno, leaving behind a charred landscape and shattered communities. Similarly, severe weather events can sweep in with terrifying speed. Whether it's a hurricane churning ominously in the ocean, a tornado spiraling down from the sky, or an extreme storm unleashing torrential rains and fierce winds. These events remind us of nature's unpredictable power and the necessity of being prepared. When it comes to wildfires, the first line of defense is creating a defensible space around your home. This means clearing away dry leaves, dead branches, and other flammable materials that can serve as fuel for a fire. Imagine your home nestled in a sea of green, yet surrounded by a buffer zone of well-watered grass and trimmed shrubs, a protective barrier that can help slow the advance of flames. It's essential to maintain this space year-round, especially during dry seasons when the risk of wildfires escalates. In addition to this physical preparation, having a solid evacuation plan is crucial. Families should sit down together and discuss the best routes to safety, ensuring everyone knows where to go and how to get there. Packing a go bag is another vital step in wildfire preparedness. This bag should contain essential supplies: water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, first aid items, and important documents. Imagine the chaos of a sudden evacuation, the frantic search for crucial items. A well-prepared go bag alleviates some of that stress, ensuring that you have what you need to survive in those uncertain hours. Staying informed is equally important. Signing up for emergency alerts can provide real-time updates about fire conditions and evacuation orders. In a world where information travels at lightning speed, being connected can make all the difference. Transitioning to the realm of severe weather preparedness, the stakes remain high. Hurricanes can bring devastating winds and floods, while tornadoes can obliterate structures in seconds. When preparing your home for such events, securing windows and doors is paramount. Reinforcing these entry points can help withstand the onslaught of strong winds. Stocking up on essentials is also crucial. Having a reserve of food, water, and medications can sustain a family during power outages or when access to stores is limited. Knowing evacuation routes becomes a lifeline when storms approach. Families should familiarize themselves with local maps and identify safe areas to retreat to, ensuring that everyone knows where to go in case of an emergency. A battery-powered weather radio is an invaluable tool, providing updates when power is lost and other communication methods fail. It can alert you to changing conditions and keep you informed during the chaos of a storm. The significance of being prepared cannot be overstated. It's not merely about safeguarding possessions. It's about protecting lives and ensuring that families can weather any storm, literal or figurative. For those seeking expert resources and guidance on disaster preparedness, DeVaultPrepping.com offers a wealth of information. As families reflect on these vital steps, they are encouraged to gather together and review their emergency plans. Discussing preparedness openly can instill a sense of confidence and readiness in every family member. Moreover, sharing knowledge about preparedness with friends and neighbors can create a community that is resilient in the face of adversity. Disasters may strike suddenly, but with proper planning and a proactive approach, families can navigate the storm with strength and unity. You can also learn more by visiting our website at https:/devaultprepping.com.